When you want to cough, but you are in Korea. Married men right now at home. Government, work from home, stalkers. First day of quarantine. Second day of quarantine. Time traveler, what year is it? Me. 2020. Time traveler. Checking up on that one ex. You dead yet, bitch? Me opening a video meme. Suddenly a weird RR sound comes up. Day 4 of quarantine. Have you found a job yet? This rap shit gon' work, just watch. We come in peace. I wonder what these things taste like. Self-quarantine day 1. Day 30. When you go to your friend's house after a few years and your phone still automatically connects to the Wi-Fi. Would you rather do a line of coke or get back with your ex? When your crush borrows your ruler in class and she asks why there's a mark on it at 3 inches. Me getting kicked out of heaven for laughing at people's prayers. We got a new puppy. Ugly AF but has laughing at all my jokes so. Titanic sinks. Uncooked lobsters.